NBM is not blackers. NBM has nothing to do with criminality. NBM is an organization that tends to help achieve greatness in the world.
NBM and the blackers are not the same. Blackers operate in the secret. We don't even know them. This is what we're talking about.
NBM of Africa no be Mafia group. Now Italian appeal court talk this one. Appeal court for assizes for Palermo City for Italy don't carry one voice judge for March 15, 2022, discharge members for NBM of Africa for Italy. Una go remember say one Ken Osayande, Festus Pedro Romosele and Osahena Garu Agbai where them gbab for claim say the NBM of Africa where them belong to for Italy na the same group as Black Ass, we get the same form and operating style of Mafia group where them they call Cosa Nostra. For November 8, 2019, the trial under Court of Assizes for Palermo City can dismiss the charges of membership for Mafia group, criminal cabal to the blackmail, among other charges, as evidence no dey to show say the Pan-African Social Cultural Group NBM of Africa na the same with Black Axe. The prosecutor, wey no dey satisfied, come file and start the appeal for December 17, 2020 for the Assizes Court of Appeal. The Court of Appeal wey Justice Angelo Pellino take chair with one mind come free the accused members for NBM of Africa unto say nothing dey link them to any Mafia group or Black Ass, say NBM no be Mafia group. Some of the best defense attorneys for Italy wey represent the NBM of Africa members na Giovanni Prezzuti, Anastasia Righetti, Chizia Pecorino and Rocco Chinichi. The talk person for NBM of Africa, Oluwatosin Dixon, can reason out to people for Lagos say the judgment don't finally clear NBM aka Neo-Black Movement of Africa where BBC documentary slander anyhow. He come say the group go continue to encourage African culture, peace and justice according to the basic principles for the movement. Ebo Sereme Obinome, TMC TV News.